Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. Today I am going to be unboxing my Trick or Treat Studios Child's Play 2 Good Guy doll. I'm very excited about this. I've been waiting for it for a long time. And I'll get to that promptly. I just wanted to say one quick thing. Since the last episode that I posted, we lost Luke Perry. Luke Perry died suddenly and tragically of a stroke. And I've said all I really want to say about it on Instagram, but if you feel like you'd like to do something in his memory, if you look on my Instagram page, Christina Elise McCarthy on Instagram, there's my handle there. Look for the picture. Actually, in my profile, it says there's a link in my profile in the text of my bio, and if you click it and then scroll down, look for the picture of Luke with boxers. He was a boxer fan and a supporter of Boxer Rescue Los Angeles. So I have suggestions. You can either donate directly to Boxer Rescue LA. You could host a fundraiser yourself. Facebook makes that really easy. They add a donate button, and it's a nonprofit that's there on Facebook, and you can do that. Or you could volunteer for Boxer LA or whatever. But my idea to remember Luke in a way that's sort of real is to support the Boxer Rescue that he supported. And with that, I'm going to get on to this. I'm just going to open it. I don't know how many of them they made. They cost $500, and I think they were made, the molds were cast from original Child's Play 2 molds that Garrett Zima had, I believe. I'm not positive. I'm sure all the information's in the Trick or Treat Studios site where you can purchase this doll for your sale. What do we have here? Trick or Treat Studios. Pumpkin. My brain is broken, I'm sorry. Pumpkin air freshener, car freshener. Got a little card here. It's a little Chucky and Tiffany card. Hope you like the doll. Make sure to send me a pic of you and your friend to the end. Chris Zeffro. Chris Zeffro is the man behind this wondrous thing. All right. It's big. Got little plastic corner protectors. One of them fell on the floor. All right, watch me spill that beer. I need another person to help me get it out. Okay. Corner protectors are a nice touch. And there it is. Oh my God. Take it out of this plastic too so you can... My God, it's fucking huge. Wow. You know, contrary to people's assumptions, I don't have a Chucky doll. Alex Vincent does. He has a real one from Cult. I have no such real Chucky doll. And I don't have any props from the set or anything. They don't let you keep that kind of stuff. They don't just give it away. Wow, this is really cool. Look at him. Wow, I suppose I should take him out of the box. I feel like I shouldn't. I do have a touch of the collector in me. I am not above never removing things from the box, but it's an unboxing, so here we go. really big. He must be actually the size of the real one. Makes sense that they use the molds. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. I don't even have one of these boxes. They must have had 4 billion of these boxes on the set in Child's Play 2 in that whole factory sequence. And one of my oldest friends tells me I got him one. He's got one of the empty boxes. I don't have one. I have nothing. I guess I was a jaded coos and thought I was too cool, or I don't know what. I'm not too cool now, though. Oh, wow. He's all in here. Shit. I don't want to take him out, but I guess I gotta. Okay, there's a wire. I'm not going to make you watch me get him out of here, because it might be a bit, but I guess I have to, right? He's wearing a hairnet, which means he must work in the food industry. I'm going to cut this strap, but I guess I have to. Shit, I don't want to cut it, but I'm gonna. Neck. I don't know how to get him out of here without hurting him. So I'll cut this too. His feet are held in by metal things holding his feet and hands down. Oh, can I undo it from the back? Let's see. Aha, I can. I think I need wire cutters to cut him out of here. Yeah, I'm going to need wire cutters. I'll be right back. Okay, I have snips. Alright, got that one. So, this is really cool. It's almost out. Okay, hold on. Here he is. Take his hairnet off. Wow. There he is in all his glory. Wow. Really, really cool. Really incredible. All right. Well, this is astonishingly awesome. I deal a lot with Alex's real one. Can he sit? Do I break him? He can sit. I deal with Alex's real one at conventions all the time, and yeah, this is the size of him. Well, this is really awesome. He's got some good guy laces on. This is fucking legit. All right, well, I cannot give this any higher praise than a full 10. It's perfect. It's a perfect Chucky. So, if you're a Chucky collector, this is what you want. This is as close to the real thing as you're going to get. And the real things are not for sale. Kevin Yeager had one what was the one? Texas Frightmare, and he was there with a real Chucky from the first Chucky that he said was worth about $45,000. And they don't sell them. Except to insiders, maybe to guys like Garrett Zima, who are just super fan collectors. All right, I'm just kind of speechless. Partly because I'm still processing the bad news of this week, but this is some pretty good news to distract me for a little bit. So there you go. All right, that is my unboxing of this very, very awesome, spectacular Trick or Treat Studios Child's Play 2 Good Guy doll. All right, that's it. I'll go back to reviewing and recipes next. Again, if you want a way to support Luke's legacy, Boxer Rescue LA is my idea for you. I'm sure there's other ideas that may be better, but that's the one I'm suggesting. And with that, thank you. Chucky and I bid you adieu. Was that Hayden? Arr! You can't get Chucky.